Engine repair these days is a pretty specialized field. We don't see a lot of repair, if you will. It's more of a remove and replace the engine. Maybe we get a good used engine from a wrecked vehicle, we could do that for you. Maybe we get an engine that's been rebuilt at an engine rebuilder and replace that in, we could do that for you. Also, if you do have a head gasket problem, we do that in-house. So we'll pull the top part of the engine off and do some machining work, we'll do some head work, the machine shop will take care of that for us, and we do the removal, the cleaning, and then the installation. And during those services, whether we're changing your engine or just doing a head gasket job, we're going to want to change any component that's a gasket or a filter or a hose that makes sense while we're there. When the engine's on the ground, we might pay a $10 or $15 part, but there's no labor at all because we're right there. So we're very comprehensive on what we do. If you have any questions on engine-related components, engine repair or cylinder head gasket or engine issues, give us a call. We'll walk you through some options and then we'll see what's going to work best for you. We'd love to help you here at A+ Japanese Auto.